To set your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to automatically play song on Spotify when you are exercising, you have to add play music to the exercise mode condition and then set it to Spotify. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap exercise. Scroll down the screen. Tap other action. Under suggested action section, tap play music. Select Spotify. Tap done button. And then tap done button again to save the change. By doing this, now when exercise mode is active, your phone will automatically play song on Spotify. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.